Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Merge Hotel. To begin, focus on merging two identical items to create a higher-level item. Your main goal is to complete customer orders by producing specific items through merging. Pay close attention to your energy bar. It depletes with each action. Strategically use your energy to maximize progress and unlock new areas. Don't forget to collect daily bonuses for extra resources. To truly master Merge Hotel, focus on efficient merging. Always check your active orders before merging randomly. Some items are rare, so save them for high-value requests. Boosters, like the 5-minute unlimited energy, can significantly accelerate your progress. Try to keep your board organized by grouping similar items. This makes it easier to find what you need and prevents your board from becoming too full. As you progress, expanding your hotel becomes crucial. Unlocking new areas provides more space for merging and introduces new item types. Upgrading facilities, such as the kitchen or laundry, will increase the speed at which they produce items. For example, a Level 3 kitchen might produce items 20% faster than a Level 1. Remember to also invest in decorations to enhance your hotel's appeal and earn more rewards. Maximizing your rewards is key to long-term success. Always complete your daily challenges. They offer a steady stream of coins and experience points. Keep an eye out for special events, which often provide unique items or significant resource bonuses. For instance, a weekend event might offer double coins for certain merges. Spend your hard-earned coins and gems wisely on permanent upgrades or rare items that truly benefit your hotel's growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.